Hi, welcome to this tutorial. My name is Angel Mir, and we are going to see how to test and play with the source code of the compiler inside GC Studio. Okay, GC Studio have their own integrated development environment for the compiler and for other tools. But first, I need to mention one important thing. If you are in the dev preview channel, you need to select the mainstream one. Okay? Then you need to apply a force update. It's important that you are in the mainstream channel so you have a consistent toolchain corresponding with the current source code you are going to use. Okay? Well, if you are in mainstream channel now, uh, go to the settings panel, and here you have the option for GCB compiler. Just click it. It will open up a GC Studio session. On the left of the screen, you will see the project, the solution explorer, sorry, uh, of one project, the Great Cow Basic project. This is the folder of your installation, okay? And there it is, the source code of the compiler. We are going to open up the gcbasic.bas. This is the main source code of the compiler. There are another sources here like assembly.bi and preprocessor.bi and other ones. But in this case, we are going to see we are going to use the gcbasic.bas. Sorry. Okay, so we are in the source code. Let's go to modify it. Okay, so I'm going to find the current version, that is this one. There it is. And let's make a simple modification. Okay, so my custom build. Okay, we have one modification. How we build it? It's very simple. Just go to terminal, run task, or press F4, and in the menu you will have one new option. When you are in this project, you will have a build GCB compiler. You can find it here, or start typing build. It will appear up here. I have it already here, so build GCB compiler. Let's click on it, uh, and then the new compiler with my modifications has been built. Okay, we can see the command, the specific command used to build the compiler. Let's go to test it. Okay, so I will open a file. I have one recent here, and let's try to compile. Let's make hex. The compiler builds. Let's go to check if it is our new build. I go to the top and I can see that the string that it's using is my custom build, the one that I modify in the source code. We are in the 5 build, okay? Let's change that number. Now it will be the 10 build. I can build it again. Build GCB compiler. And simple, I can see the version. Okay, GCB compiler version. And now I have my custom build in my build number 10. So very easy. So okay, you modify a lot. You start playing on the compiler, you modify it a lot, and it doesn't work again. Okay, so um, what you do, how to go back to the original, to the release build of the compiler? Very easy. Just close GC Studio, open it again, and you 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 now are in the current release. Let's check it. Okay, so versions, GCB compiler version, and now check. We are in the release version. We are now in my custom build, and we are now no we those we aren't in the 10 build. Okay, so we are again in the original one, the release one. We can compile, build, and safely do whatever we want with our pigs or admins or whatever you want. Okay. Other thing is that the compiler is back to the original one, but your modifications of the source code still remain. So if I open again the project, the integrated development environment for the compiler, we can see that the source still is my modifications. I can compile it again and test it. If I close it and open GC Studio again, it will revert back again. Now, how to go back to the original source code? This is easy also. Just close GC Studio, open it again, go to the settings, and apply a force update. This will revert your changes to the source code. So if I open my integrated development environment again, uh, I am back to the original version of the source code. Okay. Another important thing of this, your source will be updated to the latest. Um, if an update is available and it's downloaded. Okay, so if you don't want to if you want to remain or maintain your modified source code when you are working on the compiler, this is if you are going to work for many days on the compiler, uh, please change your channel to no updates. This will disable the updates, and you can continue modifying the source code without the risk of that if I upload a new update and this will override your modification. So if you are going to work for many days, or if you don't have a backup of your modifications, you want to continue modifying it, select the no updates, disable the updates. Another thing is, if you want to disable the automatic go back function of the compiler, uh, let's see that you going to test the compiler for a few days. Um, you can go to compiler architecture and choose developer. If you are in developer mode, you are going to disable the go back function, and the current compiled build will remain. So you can test more time if you wish, and if you are happy if you already send the modifications, um, or you simple want to go back to the mainstream, to the release, mhm, the release version of the compiler. Simple, go back to mainstream, change developer to auto, or choose one architecture you want, and I will be ready for you. You will be again on the release, and can continue to sorry, bear version, and you can continue enjoying uh, of GC Studio. You can continue programming your microcontrollers with a stable release of the compiler. Okay, so it's very easy to start playing with it. Uh, this I think this will ease the learning curve for new people that want to start to tinkering in the compiler with the code. Uh, we want to have more people that contribute to the project, so this will be very easy for new people to start with. So this is all for now. Thank you for your time. Enjoy GC Studio, and until next time.